Hi, this is Janet. I am looking at an ocean view condo right here about a block from the Hollywood Riviera. That's your view from your living room windows, which are expansive. It's in a small complex. Nice big fireplace. You can buy this with an FHA loan. You can get as little as 4% interest right now. That would leave you with about a $4,000 payment. This is going for $709, right across from the beach. Let me show you the kitchen. And there's no electricity in here. As you can see, it's vacant. It is right behind the esplanade. Wood floors, black granite countertops. There's a nice balcony right out there. There's a little, it's over 1,700 square feet. There's a little bar right there. Another kitchen entrance. This is bedroom. Pretty nicely painted. The carpets could use some cleaning, but they don't look like they're worn out. There's a fairly remodeled bathroom. It's dark though, you can't see that one. Here's the master. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, walk-in closet with extra storage there. Here's the master. Yeah, this is the biggest room. This is like a brown color. I don't know if you can tell. It's not bad. Trendy color. Paint's in good shape. So are the ceilings. Crown molding. Nice master bath. Huge master walk-in. Very large. Okay. Really good. I mean, it's so close to the beach and so close to the Riviera, eating, shopping, just step out your door. So this is steal of the week, $709 purchase price. It was like $879, drop. So love it, buy it.